In this video, we'll look at how to correctly manage cable routing for the LED PAPI 6.6 amp system to ensure safe and interference-free operation. Before starting any installation, it's important to understand the difference between communication cables and power cables. Communication cables are connected between all power control units, or PCUs, to enable data exchange between all units. They ensure proper synchronization and control of all PAPI units within the system. Power cables are mounted on the bottom side of each PCU and terminate with a 2-pin male connector. They are designed to interface directly with isolating transformers, supplying the required current from the CCR. Depending on your configuration, each PCU may have either one or two power cables, which connect to the isolating transformers and ultimately to the CCR. Because communication cables carry sensitive data signals and power cables carry high voltage, keeping them separate is essential for avoiding electromagnetic interference. To comply with installation standards, S4GA recommends that cable trays carrying communication cables must be installed at least 0.5 meters away from trays carrying power cables. If routed too close together, this interference can disrupt communication signals, potentially leading to malfunctions or incorrect system behavior. Keeping at least 0.5 meters of separation between these two types of cables ensures reliable data transmission and safe operation of a lighting system. Here are real on-site examples showing correct cable separation practices. As you can see, communication cables and power cables are routed through separate cable trays or paths, maintaining the required minimum distance of 0.5 meters. This layout ensures compliance with installation standards and helps prevent any interference between data and power lines.